Ladies and gentlemen, 2 years back when I took the helm of this ministry, I had been tasked by the Honorable Prime Minister to ensure that the Fijian education system transforms itself to becoming globally competitive and reach the heights of excellence. Excellence in terms of making quality education accessible to every Fijian in every corner of Fiji. Excellence in terms of ensuring all boys and girls, women and men get equal opportunities in education without any discrimination based on gender, creed, status, background, ability, color, and ethnicity. And excellence in terms of ensuring that there are no barriers to education and Fijians do not have to make compromises in their quest for education. And today I'm extremely delighted to be here to award our most hardworking leaders for the good work that they have done and which is projected through external examination results of 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, when I challenged all schools to target 100% pass rate in the external examination, there were a few ripples being felt around, not only in the school system but also outside. Some thought I had set an impossible benchmark. However, I never once doubted the ability of principals and the heads of schools that we had. My focus from day one has been that every child has got the ability to excel. All you need is a strong leader to mold, guide, and nurture them in the right direction. I understand that some schools that are being awarded today were actually devastated by Tropical Cyclone Winston. The children attending these schools have endured great hardship and sacrifice to make ends meet. I salute the determination of these children, the teachers of these schools, and you, the heads of schools. Your willpower and perseverance is highly commendable. I also applaud the efforts of parents who have stood side by side with the ministry at all times and assisted in whichever way they could to complement education. Ladies and gentlemen, after Cyclone Winston, our Honorable Prime Minister took a bold step, and that was to ensure that all children get back to school within 1 week. Some opposed this idea, but our school heads have stood firm, and the fruits of that decision is now shown in the exam projection made earlier this morning. Madam and sirs, problems and hindrances are temporary, but success is lifelong, and that is why we have ensured that education must continue amidst constraints. We must all show resilience because we are amidst the effects of climate change. We cannot just rest on our laurels and complain. We have to think outside the box and keep doing what we can to ensure that our children do not suffer. This get up and rise mentality also needs to be instilled in our children, and that can only be done through collaboration and good leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, today's award ceremony is certainly going to motivate other schools to follow suit and aim for the awards in the upcoming years. This afternoon, we are, for the first time, honoring those schools in the different grades that attain the highest aggregate average in different external examinations, Year 10, Year 12, and Year 13. A total of 7 schools, one for every grade level, 1D, etc. So a total of 7 schools, one for each grade level, will receive $8,000 cash for the school in this category. They will also get a gold star label, each to display at the gate or entrance so that the general public knows of the achievement. It's a gold star school. A high-level aggregate means that the school attained quality passes. So we are using all three methodology that we demonstrated today and averaging. So if in one methodology you got 1, rank 1, the other you got 10, and the other you got 4, so total is 15 divided by 3, you got an average of 5 rank. In simple terms, it shows that more of the school students have scored marks which are closer to above the high performing level of the performance tracker. We are also going to award those schools that attain 100% pass rate in the 3 external examinations, apart from these 7. These schools will receive a cash award of $2,500 as well as a gold star label. We will also award trophies to the leaders of the school. Okay, before that, this money, this is going to be given out to these schools, 8,000 for these 7 and 2,500 for these, I think 4 of them were getting this 100% pass rate. This is not to construct toilet, renovate the library, etc. This is for the school principal and teachers. If they need a Wi-Fi, the school can buy 2 Wi-Fi. The school can buy 2 or 3 Wi-Fi, and the teachers can borrow it, by booking it. If they need a laptop, they can have 1 or 2 laptops. They can borrow it by booking it with the admin officer. So they can have a lunch funded through this particular fund. So it is to acknowledge their hard work and contribution. We will also award trophies to the leaders of the school who made it happen. So there'll be a trophy that will be given to the principal who was there last year. There is misconceived notion that the ministry just wants academic excellence. I also want to make it clear that the ministry wants excellence in all facets of life, be it education and sports. Our rugby sevens have, after all, brought glory to the nation through sports. Today, we will be honoring the 7 schools that have excelled in sports and extracurricular activities. Ladies and gentlemen, on another note, let me remind you that now, since you've achieved high benchmarks of achievement, you must similarly set higher targets of achievements for this year. For example, if you attain 100% pass rate in year 13, you must target quality pass rate in year 13 this year. You must aim for higher average aggregates and target 100% pass rate in year 10 and 12 examination. The scope and mechanics of higher performance does not end here, and I encourage you to raise the bar of performance each year. This afternoon, I invite you all to bask in the glory of achievements. We are all proud of the accomplishments. This award ceremony is deemed to get bigger and stronger, and I challenge you all to take the Excellence Award every year. We have started with a small kitty of fund this year. We will look at it, how we could make it more robust, how we could increase the rewards, and to ensure that you really feel that you have been recognized and recognized publicly. This year we have not much rigorous analysis, but we will look at how we could better expand the index that we have used. Once again, congratulations to the winners in advance and best of luck to all of you, and I look forward to giving out the awards. Thank you, Naka.
Awards to the top schools who have met our criteria and enjoy these fine moments for camaraderie and friendship. Ladies and gentlemen, nation's top 7 sporting schools who have excelled in the national sports activities for 2016 and have got prestige not only